Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Splodes. This is my first tech review, hopefully not my last. I'm gonna try to get into a bunch of different things. I game stream. I have a podcast, Sports and Stitches podcast. We talk about sports, talk about a bunch of different things. Also gonna be starting a video gaming podcast here shortly with some friends, probably within the next few months. So you'll be able to check that out. Today we're gonna be doing a review of the Pilot Your Onboard Witness dash cam. Show it to you here. It says 720p HD resolution, comes with a 4 gigabit micro SD card, night vision, motion sensor, loop recording, all that good stuff. The reason why I wanted to share this was because we bought it at Walmart for $17. For a dash cam, that's very cheap, especially for one that has high definition capabilities. It does come with the car charger, the suction cup mount, USB charging and sync cable, user manual as well. Now the 4 gigabit SD card, I will say that you need more than that. It just keeps deleting and rewriting the recordings as you drive, so you never have to worry about not having it. But if you get into an accident or something and it deletes a drive from the beginning of your drive, let's say you take a long distance drive, you may not know that it was deleted. So it takes up to a 32 gig SD card, so I definitely recommend upgrading to that. I will have the price in the video, either up here or in the links, if I can figure out how to get this to work like people do. I don't know if I'll be able to do that or not. So, but I will also post pictures. There's also going to be a quality of drive in it as well. So I took a quick drive around where I live just so I could upload it to it so you guys could see it. One thing I will say is it's definitely not true 720p or true high definition, but for what you need it for, to have something in case you're in an accident, or if somebody gets in an accident, you want to be able to show it to the police or medical personnel or whatever, it will definitely do the job. So again, I just wanted to get on here and show you guys this. I think it's definitely worth the $17. Again, we got it from Walmart. Great deal. The fact that it has built-in motion sensor and night vision. I haven't tried out the night vision when making this. I also don't have the physical device. It's in our SUV. So, I just want to get on and share it. Like I said, do my first little review. I would definitely say it's worth $17 and you guys should check it out. See ya.